All right. Ankle. It didn't really adjust.
He spends a lot of time on his feet.
There he goes.
There it is. Right. That was kind of jammed. You rolled that one or something?
No, not really.
What'd you think about that one?
Different. I used to people touch my feet.
Well, don't worry. I wasn't like enjoying it.